So our first problem we're going to do from our practice work is the fourth. It's 8 plus 7i over 3 minus 4i. You've already told me that we have to multiply the top and bottom by the conjugate of our denominator. So 3 plus 4i, and 3 plus 4i goes to the top too. So what you do to the bottom, you also have to do to the top. Now, whenever we multiply fractions, we multiply them straight across. So I'm going to multiply the numerators. So I'm going to do 8 times 3. That'll be 24. Then 8 times 4i, and get 32i. And then inside, so 7i times 3, 21i. And then last, 7i times 4i, which is 28i squared. What is I squared?
-1.
-1. So it's going to be -1 times 28. You got it. So I'm just going to erase this symbol here and make that a minus 28. Perfect. All over. And now, we talked about this a little bit on Monday. What can I do for my denominator?
Bring it down.
You got it. Multiply it. So how do we multiply it?
3, 4, 4.
You got it. I can do my 3 times 3 and get what? 9. And then you said your 4 times 4 because you're -4i times 4i. Why do we skip the outside and the inside? I mean, technically we could FOIL the whole thing. And if you want to, you can FOIL the whole thing and get the same answer. Because what is 3 times 4i? 12i. What's a -4i times 3? -12i. And then -4 times 4i will be a -16i squared.
Those cancel out.
You got it. I squared becomes a -1, which makes them a positive 16. And you got it. The middle two here, 12i minus 12i will do what? Cancel out. So if you wanted to, anytime you multiply the conjugates, you can multiply just the first and the last because those middle two always cancel out. So the whole top one you have to FOIL because they are not conjugates. But the denominator, those middle two will always cancel out. That's like one of those things that always happen. Now we just combine like terms. What is 24 minus 28? -4. What is 32i plus 21i? You got 53i. And lastly, what is 9 plus 16? 25. Now we did talk about on Monday that if you wanted to leave your answer there, you can. Because can 4 be divided by 25 evenly? No. So if you want to leave your answer here, you can. This is correct. But if you do want to double check to see if it can reduce, you can do your -4 divided by 25. And just put that in the calculator. Hit Control Divide and then -4 over 25 and see if that reduces. It doesn't. And then same way with 53. See if 53 can be divided by 25. It can't. So it just says 53i over 25. Once again, both these answers are correct. It just kind of depends on if it can reduce or not. If you like to always double check it, if you're somebody who's like, oh, I don't know if that reduces or not, always see if it reduces. So for number 8 with our practice work, we have 4 over -1 minus 4i. So first things first, we cannot have I in the denominator. That's the very first thing that's wrong with it. So what do we do to get rid of that I in the denominator? Huh? You got multiplied by what of the bottom though?
-1 plus 4.
Very good. -1 plus 4i. It's conjugate. What we multiply to the bottom, we also have to multiply to the top. So -1 plus 4i. Now our numerator only has one term in it, so we're only going to distribute. So we're just going to do 4 times -1, which will be what? -4. And then 4 times 4i. 16i. You got it. All over. And now your bottom is the conjugate. So what's the only part I have to multiply for the denominator? You got it. First and last. Make life easier for us. What is -1 times -1? Positive 1. What is -4i times 4i?
-16i squared.
Perfect. And I squared will do what?
Make that a positive.
You got to make that a plus 16. And so now -4 plus 16i can't reduce because it is different terms. It's our complex number, real part, imaginary part. And now what's 1 plus 16? 17. And last step, see if you can reduce it. Some of you all may already be able to tell. Can it reduce? No, 17 is a prime number. So once again, you can leave it here because 17 can't reduce. But if you did reduce it, because you're someone who does reduce the problems, then that's fine too. You just end up with negative 4 over 17. And then plus 16i over 17. And see. There we go. That finishes this up.